Science Gallery Bengaluru is science, culture and experiment. As a public institution for research-based engagement, we would like to bring science back into culture.
Submerge is our very first exhibition season. And one way we thought we could curate Submerge was to make it a dynamic living space, a dynamic living exhibition. It wasn't over once it was curated and set up, but it actually had its own life, which developed and changed through the duration of the exhibition.
For instance, Jennifer Weitman's Mansell Richter. When that exhibit was made, it looked completely different. And things have been slowly growing and changing in them. It looks really amazing now, almost 40 days later.
How the bacteria was forming and how the ecosystem was developing on its own, and as our mediator explained it, it's a evolving art on its own, so that was very interesting.
ಮಡ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅದು ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಅದು ಹೆಂಗಂದರೆ ಸೈನ್ಸನ್ನ ಡಿಸೈನ್ಗೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದಾಗ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಎನ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ.
Every time someone comes to the exhibition, they see something different, whether it's the exhibits themselves changing, whether it's the mediators changing, whether there's something new going on, and our programming is continuously changing.
The programming is just as important as the exhibits themselves. Terra Mars, an exhibit where the artist has taken the topographical data of Mars and transposed it onto Earth and vice versa.
Imagine if we could get young adults to think about if life ever existed on Mars, what would that mean?
The participants to think outside the box, as we call it, or to rethink the box itself. With this kind of emphasis on the idea of water on Mars, to kind of imagine what would that be like. So that was the purpose of the workshop.
If we look at environments on Mars, you can talk about how extreme environments on Mars and how bacteria can survive there. So astrobiology is a field which you don't really talk about much in India, but after this workshop maybe I'll think more about it.
So we tried to break open an exhibit in this way and then develop programs around it that would allow people to really engage with it beyond just seeing it.
Talk about how you can actually use modern technology to map out water bodies and to help in their conservation. So my workshop today is focused on the use of drones and the imagery you can collect using drones to actually differentiate water from non-water at a very basic level.
I was interested in learning how to use water-related satellite data, and I think this gave me a window into how I could really look for water data, how I could interpret water data and use it to tell stories.
A lot of exhibits here, what you see as facts and numbers are transformed into more perceivable solutions, perceivable options.
So the different ways of experiencing it, I believe that was the most unique thing that I felt here.
So the goal was to keep it alive. We wanted people to come again and again in order to deepen their relationship to science, in order to deepen their relationship with us.